and this is the game called Mob Feast. So as you can see, that game looks like famished fish coming from Griff Patch games. But different than that, I did not remix it. It's just my makeup. And you see that game. Okay, I know. Some kind of little distracting. And might be hard. So how about let's make a new one like this. So I changed that my variable, but I think I need to edit that later. So we're not making the same. Well, we're making like a little bit like same that as that. So let's click create. Well, it's loading. So what should we name first? How about we change that as a cat? Oh, how about we say as cat beast and a cat beast? So maybe let's change the size. So yes, let's change the name to player, cause it's a player. This kind of player moves the mouse. Let's put a green block on top, or else maybe you won't play it. So let's add a, no, not random position, mouse pointer. As you can see, it's going in my mouse pointer and moves around. So let's shrink that size. Like, I don't know. I think 60 might be perfect. And let's write 60. We need to set that size. Yeah, kaboom. Not done yet. We need an enemy. And let's duplicate this. And let's stop that script. And we don't want to go mouse pointer. So let's delete that. Maybe we need to go like, glide 1 second to random position. You can see that? It's grinding. So, yeah, but what happens when it eats? Well, I think you need to shrink up a little bit. So let's shrink that. We need that block. But when we are done shrinking, okay, so it might be a perfect fit. Let's try 40. 40 might be perfect. Same size. So we can't eat him because we don't have that kind of script. So let's add one. So maybe we need to go back in the black layer. And let's try that. Now I am in front layer. So let's try that. And let's try that. So let's maybe delete that. And that guy is an enemy. So must be an enemy. How about let's change that eye to an enemy. Make that a little bit pointed and save it. Oops. That one is no needed. No needed. Oops. Yeah, kind of better. And now next one is make it like right here. Perfect. And last one. Now kind of perfect. Now it looks like a mad cat. So yeah, what happens when it touches? So now the size, we need the size. Okay, so now let's add the if, and then block. Well, I think you need one. Now, how about the size of the player? So you have to click this and click size. And then add this, not 50, 60. Because the player size is 60, yeah? Right? And now let's add an and block. Or like when the player is 60, I'll show you what is going to happen. So it's going to hide. And it's going to show. Now the monster is hiding. Because we don't add an and block and add a touching one. So that's what's going to happen. So we're not done yet. So we need show and add an and touching player. Let's try that. Yum. That works. It works. But not done yet. I think we need a sound effect. I think we don't need that. Or maybe let's keep one. And let's upload the sound. This crunch I upload from the Apple game from Grip Patch. So I don't think we need this. I think we need this. Wait, that goes to the player. Or yeah, let's go to the player. So let's delete that first. And now we got a crunch effect. And yeah, what's up? So let's put it right here. And let's delete that size of player 2. I think we need to switch that name to enemy. Oh, that's not how to spell. Enemy. There we go. And then let's delete this and also delete the and block. And change that to enemy. We don't know how to hide it. We need to play that crunch. I think we need that. Let's try. Yeah, perfect. Yum. Now that cat already eat the enemy. I think we need to add more enemies. So let's add another one. And let's add another green flag on top. Let's stop that script. And add like repeat 10 is clone. We need clone to make more monsters. So let's duplicate this. And add this. And duplicate this. And then add a when I start as a clone. Yum. So how they got the enemies? Well, when you clone it, that makes another enemy, another enemy sprite, but doesn't name an enemy to, so it makes another enemy. Yum yum. That might be too easy. Let's try it at 100. Let's try 100. Let's try 100. Let's check. That might be too much. That might be too much. Too much. I think that might be easier. So something much more harder is add another enemy and change that size to not 40. Let's try 100. Let's try 100. Let's try 100. And let's see what's gonna happen. Let's try that. Oh. Something wrong. When you eat other ones, like bigger than that, when you eat someone, when the player eats smaller than the enemy, then that might die. So I don't think so. So let's add a duplicate one, and then make the end to a size. And as an and. Yeah. Or else, like, remember I showed you? Like this one, when you only a size but not touching it, then it will be like hiding wherever. So yes, we need this. We need a size. Nope, we don't need that. So let's add a size. And this current size is 60. So So the current size is 60. True. And let's duplicate that. And then size is 1. And the size is 100. Wait, how about we change that to, I don't know. Wait, we need something bigger than that? Let's try 150. Starts down punch, and we don't need this. We need to maybe stop all. That might be a better way. But something missing. I have an idea. I think we need to restart again. I think we need a help. How about we name it cats eaten cat eaten. So let's change that to cat eaten, and then let's change that to 0. Slider. Nope, I don't think so. Let's try that. So now we need to set cat eaten to 0 because we don't eat any cat. Forgot that. I think we need that. We need something. We need to change that size. If the size of player is 150 and touching player might hide. So yeah, let's duplicate that. And now, yay. There. Perfect. Let's try that. Now, you know what? I think it's already eaten. Oh. Something wrong. I think this guy is eaten. But the player one is 60? But I don't think it works. So yeah, size of player is not 150. So maybe there's something wrong. Wait, what happened to the enemy? Oh no. What have I done? Sorry, I just changed that in the wrong sprite. So you're right, it's enemy 2 and that's enemy 50 and another one is 50. It's just a mistake. Just try and restart it, guys. Now you know what, the player doesn't 100 might be too much, so let's add less than 100 is 5. Let's try 5 and test it as a. Now you notice when you touch a big cat, you won't able to got that because we forgot to put that thing. We need a cat's health, and it's only for this, cause wait, I think I need it. I need it. That's not how you spell it. Okay, now let's try that. Yum. Well, let's try this. Let's change the cat's. Let's change the health to 100. But when touching it, and it'll change not cat team health by not 10, negative 10. Cause those are bigger when, okay, so let's add a one green black crest right here. And let's add forever block too. And this. And add a this 0, Pico 0, and that no, this. And now then let's stop all. This might be difficult if you touch the edge and got touched by this. Not working. So I think there's a better way. Like when you touch the edge, that might make it hide, and or else let's add this back. Forever if then else one block. Okay, so if no, not this. If touching edge, if it is touching the edge, this is the edge of that rectangle, and then it will hide. This hide means like it's gonna hide and up, or else it will show. So yeah, let's try that. Yeah, that might be easier to not touch players. Yeah, kind of. Oh. I think there's something wrong. That might be hard. But just only set that. That's too much. And Wait, I think we need stop it. Okay, so that might be hard. That might be hard. So I don't think we need to add this. Let's start like just more than one. Well, let's try one clone. Let's try one clone. That might be easier. So yeah, I want to make it a little bit easier. Yum. That player, no use. Ow, ow, that hurts. So yeah. So let's change that into like, if like the size. Okay, let's duplicate this, and we don't need this block. Let's change that. Can I change it? Yeah. Cat D10. It goes to 100. Oops. 100. And it will change the size to, like, set the size to 150. And let's try that. Yeah, that might work. That might work. Ah, yum, yum. Yum. Yeah. Wait. Something wrong at the game. When you eat the enemy, it'll change this cat eaten to 1, but it's not changing because we forgot to add a script. In the script. Let's try that. Let's test it out. Yum. Oh, yum, 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 yum. So yeah, so fun. Still fun. Yum. Ooh. Wait. When it's happening, touching the other sprite that was bigger than that, then that enemy will hide. So yeah, let's duplicate that. That might be a lot of scripts. And then let's add 150. And let's duplicate it. And add it right here. Let's try that. Yum. That's perfect. Let's try again. Let's test it again. Yo, you know what? This game is easy. Because I add like, I don't know. I add two monsters, two big monsters, but that one guy, this guy, this one doesn't add much. So let's add change cat eaten by 10, and let's duplicate that, and then maybe let's delete that. We already have the hide, or let's delete the hide block and just change cat eaten by 10. Ah, oh no. Ow. I think there's something wrong. We didn't lace the bar. How about let's switch that to, and let's delete this. We can't switch it. We can only do, I think we need to ungroup. Well, that's disgusting. So let's change it, and right. So, and then let's add an X. Then stands for the cat's dad. So yeah, let's change that costume to this. So let's change costume to this. And we need to reset the costume, or also change that costume every day. So yeah. Oops, that costume was wrong. It should be 3. So let's delete that last costume and change that to 2. Because this guy is dead. It's a dead cat. Well, this guy might be a long video. Let's try it. Oh yeah. Much better, much better. That tells him it's dead. That might be much little hard. Ouch. I already touched it. Oh, I lose. So yeah, Now is our resetting how much cats we eat. So that might be good. Those are enemy cats. So it's like famished fish. And that famished fish game, and you had to eat something. You had to eat the small fish, and and that kind of shark thing, big fish, called a shark, comes out in the night ocean. Yeah. This might be scary and hard. I don't like cats eating other cats. It's just like fish eating other fish. Well, it's true. Fish eat other fish. Chew on. Oh, that might be hard. When a cat. Ooh, I'm big. Yep. See? I'm big. So let's add maybe another enemy. Cause maybe that's too hard, I guess. Let's add a bigger enemy that was like 200. That was amazingly big, I guess. So yeah, let's try this. Oh, enemy 2. So let's add another one. And another block. Oops, sorry. That's wrong. Oh no. I think we need get another enemy, and when your size is 250, yeah, something like that. Start sound crunch, and we don't make that. So that might be better. There you go. Let's try that. But when does it make it bigger? I think we need something. So let's like cat eaten like 120, then change that size to 250, and when the enemy eats that thing, let's write 250 and 250 again. I think there's something wrong. We need to change that name. We don't want all enemy 2s. So let's change that to enemy 3, and another enemy 3. Let's try that. Well, that guy's big. Oh. Yeah, kind of hard. Because there's monsters that was big. Oops. Yeah, that guy. This guy is big, and I don't think it's perfect. So let's change that size to like maybe 180. I think 160 might be better, I guess. Oh no, I forgot. This size, the 160 size. Let's try it. Let's do that again. Let's press that green button. Yeah, it's perfect, I guess. Perfect. Ouch. Not perfect. Ouch. Perfect size. So why I say ouch? Cause I'm dying. My player is dying. Also, I'm doing faster. My player health is 50. Wait, I have an idea. Something a little bit more vulnerable. So let's make it a little bit funner. Very fun. Like, I don't know. So let's like minus. Let's delete it. 0. Let's try that. Let's test it out. So mine was different from the mob feast, because the mob feast doesn't have house, just only sound effects, is the sound effects. That might be easier.
Come on.
Oh no, I'm losing house. Yeah, that might be hard. Might be easier. Easy. Oh, one more. Come to it. Come to it. Yay. Oops. Oops. I ate that gun. I accidentally touched my gun. Oh. Wrong. I want to come to die. I want to die. I want to be
这很常见，有
living.
个词，这个零件不断嘛，现在开始，我给你一个新码的，
Just wait.
这么的，
So that's called a cat beast.
我发个视频还要谁拿这个，你也可以，看看我也记太了。
I'm making. Yum. Huh? Oh no, I think we forgot it. It's adding a script. There's a new script called Exercise and Touchy Player. Yeah. Perfect plan. Perfect day. So now let's try that. No. Let's try again. And let's just that the cat was eating these. So let's create a background while I like drawing. Let's choose a background, I guess. As a mat. I don't think so, but a lot of like stripes, phrase. I don't need these kinds. I like the beetle time ones. Spray farm. Wait, not right here. Look, all the things I did not share. So I was trying to find a beetle time. Wait, it's our share, okay, guys? Just check it. Maybe I'll put that down the link below, yeah. About the beetle game. The beetle game. Aha! Found it. Use arrows to control the beetle. Collect many fruits as fast as you can and click anywhere you want the beetle to. Yeah, that game. That's called beetle time. Beetle fruit time. So the thing is cats are dangerous. Careful not to go. And the way is to go to the other side. So I'm finding the way. Okay, so yes, the dumbbell. So yeah, dumb mat. Let's explore that. I love it. It's just my old one. So you know what? That is a finish line I made. So that's what I made. I made that as a finish line. And I just added sprites. That is a beetle for time. So I already know that how to use that game, and let's edit it. And forever set goes to change ghost. There you go. It's better. If you're on the iPad playing it, so that is the beetle fruit time thumbnail. So the beetle fruit time, and that gave. So let's add it. Locking. And I already support that. There you go. A brand new background. I think should we show that? I think we need a new sprite. Just 2 of them. Maybe. So let's paint a new sprite. And we're not done yet. So it's 20. 25, and then another one is 20. So 20. So I don't think I can got it. Let's delete it. Let's add a text. You know what? So yeah, let's pick one, and then we need an outline, one outline. There you go, my outline is perfect. So yeah, this is weighted from the text, and now let's duplicate it, and now change that to 2. Now we you know what? It's big. 3. I have tired making these. Now 4. 5. I don't think I can. So why don't they do using 7, 8. That might take a while, I guess. So 9. 10. So we're not so fast. We need middle this thing. 11. 12. It's gonna be taking a while, so let's don't make these. No, we don't need these. We need this. Let's change that to larger. Let's read that. That'd be perfect. I had a text, you know. That score, I guess. But that a score text. You know that is the longest video ever, kinda. And not yet. Score right now is 61. So this is where I am. I think we need to go on the middle. We're here. Yeah, good. And turn that to a ghost effect. Maybe 10. Oops. Perfect. So the forever when you drag it on it, only one. So just be gentle and drag. So the Apple platformer, I like it. It's my favorite game. So the Apple game that was made from Grip Patch, I really love that game. Anyway, I got these sound effects to make it sound maybe good. Yum. Yum. So, that game might be hardest because all of those monsters are going to eat me. So that might be bad. Bad is my health and I got I got 81 eaten and I got 56 health, 52 lives, 44 lives, still pretty. No. Touch. So I think we need. Perfect, let's try that. Let's just do that. So that's it for this. So first thing, the last thing one we need to do is do the instructions. So you need to move with your mouse pointer. Move. So let's move the player. No. That are bigger than the player. Eat the enemies that so you need to eat the enemies that are smaller than the player. So yeah. So yeah. So right now I was smaller than the enemy. Now Some enemies are smarter than me. So yeah, that might be a horrible game. So I think it's way. So let's give one more test. Oh. Huh? So let's try another test. One more. Another test. Give it a nice crunch. Yeah, Right now my house is dirty, so I can't finish it on my game. So I think this game might be perfect. Let's try again. Oops. Oh, that play's dying. The play's dying. Bad, bad, bad. Let's try again. Because we don't want to die. We want to test it, but without dying. So let's try again. But without being dying. I think it's the worst game. Hardest game ever. Oh yeah, I think it's perfect, I guess. So we see it? Yeah, it might be much perfect. So I think this is working. It's working. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like and a subscribe and share my video. And now it's time to share for my friend and other scratchers. And I'll put this link down below. So happy to enjoy. I hope you like this game, or I hope you like this video. Please don't remix it, because if you watch my video, you can't remix it. And you can make one. If you want to make another disc, then make one.